Ever sat in a silent room and suddenly your stomach sounds like a tiny bear? That's not just hunger, it's called borborygmi. Your stomach and intestines are always moving food, fluids, and gas around with muscle contractions. When your gut is empty, those gurgles echo louder, making it sound like a growling beast. The twist? Even when you're full, your stomach still makes noise. You just don't notice it over the sounds of digestion. So next time your stomach growls, remember, it's just your body's way of keeping things moving. Hungry for more weird facts?